Hey guys, so I just want to make another video and kind of just I woke up today and I don't know, I just went on about my day and then I went on Reddit and I saw that Bitcoin had broken 58,000 um and it was a new high. And I thought that at the beginning of the year, like 2 months ago, I for sure thought Bitcoin was gonna hit $50,000 by the end of the year. Um, I was like, okay, I think it's pretty safe to say that after that little like correction or the little crash that went from like almost 40K to like down to like 29K or something like that, I was like, okay, it kind of stabilized and then it went back up and it stabilized like at 30 for like a week or so. Um, I was like, okay, it's gonna hit 50K by the end of the year for sure. And now, now I'm just thinking, um, when Tesla bought Bitcoin and it went from like 38 to 42, I was like, okay, it's hitting 60 by the end of the year. It seems like it's gonna hit 60 by at the end of this week, right? And I'm kind of I'm worried in a way because you know what? How long is this bull run gonna last, right? Is it even a bull run like the one from um like 2017? Is that like what's the deal here, right? Um like it's basically digital gold at this point. It's not a stock. There's no fundamentals. So why do we even have to expect a crash? Right? If they print more money and a stimulus gets, you know, another stimulus gets passed, Bitcoin is just a hedge against inflation. And like, dude, it's gonna keep going as soon as like you was just thinking about the correlation between money and how the dollar has lost like 90% of its value since I don't know when, the 70s or the 60s or something like that, up until now. And it's gonna keep, the buying power is gonna keep going down for the dollar. Things are gonna be more quote unquote expensive because of inflation, right? Um, a gallon of milk used to be like $1. Now it's like $3, and it'll be $6 one day, and another day it'll be $10. And I think Bitcoin is a hedge against inflation, and so are stocks, and anything that can generate returns as passive income is a hedge against inflation because your money is making more money for you, and therefore negating any loss of because of inflation. So you will be able to afford a $10 gallon of milk, in 50 years because your money has been, inflating as the dollar has been, you know, inflating also if it's invested somewhere, right? Um, so why should we even expect a crash? Is there going to be some market manipulation of people, institutions, banks buying billions and billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin and then basically dumping it? Or, are they going to get to the point where they want a piece of the pie and say, you know what, I don't think this is something we can pump and dump because what if it doesn't, what if it doesn't crash how we expect it to? And what if, corporations start scooping more coins up, right? I don't know, man. It's fucking crazy. And, it's just to think and just to see the chart and stuff. It's pretty crazy, man. I mean, if you, as you guys can see, I've been dollar cost averaging on Coinbase Pro since last year, and I had some that I used to buy on Coin Mama and regular Coinbase, and it's just like at this point, where do I allocate most of my funds? Stocks or Bitcoin, right? Because this is a long term hold, and Bitcoin is going to 10x. It's just going to. It just is, because when all the coins are mined and there's a finite quantity, it's just perpetual money. And we hear about stories about all these wallets that have coins stashed away that have been lost forever. That's just helping the value of Bitcoin soar, right? It's just crazy, dude. It's really crazy. And I don't know, it was just a video I wanted to make and just talk about, I guess, just talk to myself about it. um so I don't know, seems like that's I don't know, that's it's just the future, and NFTs and Ethereum and Ethereum staking and decentralized finance, decentralized applications and smart contracts, and all this stuff just sounds like the future. But the establishment is so strong. That they're gonna look to find a way to manipulate this, to crash it, to not succeed. Another thing I want to mention is, for all we know, China could be buying most of the coins. I think I've read somewhere that China owns like 51% of of the volume, or it's coming from China, or it's being mined in China, and we don't know. But damn, that's all I just wanted to say. If I ever come up with, if I ever think of something else, I'll make a video. But I mean, it's fucking crazy, dude. It is fucking crazy.